I never made it, but I know what it takes. I'm motivated by a mix of emotion. Got my statement, and I'm...
Hello, how are you today? I hope that you are so great because today is Children's Day. So don't worry about that you are at home because you can make many things like dance, jump, and play video games. So let's start with our activities of this day. These are the activities of this day. The first activity is to go to lyrics training and complete the song Sunflower. First of all, you have to go to lyricstraining.com. I will explain you how to do it. First, you have to go to Google and write lyrics training and tap in the first option. Then you will tap Buscar. After that, you will write the name of the song. That is Sunflower. Then you will tap Quizás en otro momento. And finally, you will complete the song. Remember that you have to take a picture when you finish the song. The second activity is to go to Forum 9 and answer the following questions. Was the song easy? Did you like it? The third activity is in your notebook, you have to draw 5 activities that you love to do. That's all for today. See you tomorrow and have a lot of fun in your day. See you.
I never made it, but I know what it takes. I'm motivated by a mix of